Welcome guys, today I have a Swisher model Mark V. This machine is wired for 230 volts. This machine does have two different mode settings in terms of feeding, which we'll get into later, along with an automatic and a manual setting. You can freely move the head back and forth, as you can see right here, for your manual setting, and then you could also run up and down the head using this dial right up here. A little high, so that's why it's not the best grab, but that's that right there. And we could go ahead and start up our grinding wheel for you. Before I do that, I'd like to mention our 6x12 magnetic permanent chuck right down here. With our key, all you have to do is just pop it in the socket and then turn it on for lock. So this is the guard right here. I do have that off just for video purposes. And from there we could go ahead and start our grinding wheel. From here we could go to our manual position and run our head left and right. There are two limit switches up top, right over here, that will go ahead and tell the machine to not over travel. And to start your cycle, you do want to be on the left-hand side. So we'll go ahead, run that over. And now we can start our cycle. So we're going to go with mode 1 right now. This is going to be our counter. Go all the way up to 100. I'm just going to start off at 15 so you guys get an idea. So on the first mode, it will go ahead and it'll feed about 15 times only on the left-hand side, which will be indicated by a little red ticker. So I'm just going to let this play out just a little bit so you can see that ticker go. Every time it makes one full pass and the ticker goes, it will feed down. And it feeds down on the right-hand side. So that's going to just go down all the way till it hits 0. Once it hits 0, it will still sweep back and forth, but it will no longer feed in. Come in a little bit closer. Now you can see the two little arrows or the counter going on down. And we're just going to let this go back a couple more times. We're not going to go down to the end of the cycle. This is a new paint job on the machine. Looks very nice. And from here, I'm just going to go ahead. Actually, we have 5 more passes. We're just going to go ahead and let that play out. There you go, one more pass and then we will be down at 0 and then the machine will no longer feed down. But as I mentioned, it will sweep back and forth until you tell the machine to stop, which we'll do right now. Go ahead, do one more pass and then it will park itself. From there we could go on to our mode 2. Mode 2 is a little bit different. As we go ahead and start this, it's going to count down as it did before, but it's not going to feed down until it makes all of its passes that you have set. So for example, I have it set to about 5 passes, and in 5 passes you'll see this hand wheel go ahead and down feed a little bit, and that will do that continuously, so you do need to keep an eye on that. We'll let that down feed a couple times for you guys. In just a second, about a pass or two, you'll see this down feed. And just like that, it down fed, and then the ticker will go all the way back to its original position that you have it set on. So I'll go ahead and play that out just one more time. If you'd like to see this under power, it is located in our Harrison warehouse. About 2-3 more passes. Go ahead, down feed just one more time. You can see this down feed just one more time over here. Should be this pass. And that's it. Went ahead and fed for you, and that basically wraps up this video. Again, this is going to be the Swisher Model Mark V wired for 230 volts. Thank you very much.